Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Komar, and today we will show a couple examples of the quotient rule, which is the differentiation rule for differentiating quotients of functions. Here is a statement of the quotient rule. If f and g are differentiable functions and g of x is not equal to 0, then the derivative of the quotient f divided by g is f prime times g minus f times g prime divided by g squared. We frequently write this in simpler notation where u is the f, v is the g. Then the quotient rule can simply be written as follows, so that the derivative of u divided by v is going to be u prime v minus uv prime divided by v squared. So here is a numerical example, and we're given some function and derivative values here. So we have that f of 2 is equal to 3, f prime of 2 is equal to negative 2, g of 2 is equal to 4, and g prime of 2 is equal to 5. If h is f divided by g here, we want to compute h prime of 2. So here, we're going to write out the quotient rule formally and substitute in 2 for the x here. And again, we have the derivative of f evaluated at 2 times g of 2 minus f of 2 times g prime of 2 divided by g of 2 squared. Then we plug in the numbers. F prime of 2 was negative 2. G of 2 is 4. F of 2 is 3. G prime of 2 is 5. And again, here's G of 2, which is 4 again down here. And that comes out to negative 23/16. And there's our first example. Our second example, we're going to compute the derivative of the function f of x here, which is defined as sine x over x squared. So here we are going to, again, color code it like we did in the statements of the quotient rule over here. And we can see how it shows up down here. So we have the derivative of sine of x, the numerator, times x squared, the denominator, minus the numerator, again, sine of x, times the derivative of the denominator, derivative of x squared, divided by the denominator squared, or x squared squared. And I initially just left these two derivatives here in the prime notation just to kind of leave it as a placeholder. Again, more complicated problems, it could be very useful to do one step at a time, but we still have those derivatives to compute here. Here we get that the derivative of sine x is cosine x, the derivative of x squared is 2x. And we are going to clean this up a little bit, and we can divide out an x from top and bottom over here to get this final form. Again, I'm Tim Komar. I'm available for math tutoring. Please feel free to contact me, like this video, and subscribe, and contact me for tutoring, and look forward to seeing you soon.